Hello dear children, today ma'am will teach you capital cursive G. So how to write capital cursive G? We will start it from second blue line and we will go slant till the red line, curve and then make a curve like C. When you come just under this, where you started from, where you curved from, when you come under this, from here we will go up, touch the blue line, then come down straight, curve and a slant, cut from the blue line. This is capital cursive G. I'll show you again. Slant, touch the red line, curve and make a C, go up, touch the blue line, come down, make a loop and cut from the blue line. You can see once again. Slant, curve, make a C, okay. Now the mistakes that you have to avoid. First of all, this loop should be thin. Can you see? Thin loop. If you make it fat, it's wrong. We don't want fat loops. Then you have to come down, like you have to make a C here. If you come down straight, it's wrong. This is L. This is L. We don't want L. We will not come down straight. Then if you go up curved and then ma'am tells you to come down curved, so this is wrong. Again, if you go up curved and come down straight, this is wrong. This starting stroke is wrong. See, you have to just, when you start, you have to leave the line and go slant up. Okay, another mistake. Now, ma'am told you to have you have to go up just under this. This is the level. Okay, so if you go in from here, it's wrong. And if you go up here, this is also wrong. Okay, so that's the level. This is the level. You come down just under this. Then another mistake is, if you do not touch the blue line, it's wrong. If you make a fat loop, it will not look good. Now see, ma'am has not touched the top line. If you cut from here, this is wrong. If you do not touch the red line, wrong. And you have to make a slant line. If you do not make a slant line, if you make less slant, then your G will look like this. Okay, so once again ma'am will tell you the correct formation. Slant, curve, make a C. Be careful, don't go out of lines. Okay, so this is the correct formation. Okay, bye. Happy writing.